I didn't know my mic was muted. Yes, it's only showing one. Nice. We gonna continue lower here? I want that go back. I was about to say, let's take a stab at it, but What? Here we go. Nasdaq looking like it might want to go higher. I don't know. Is this trying to build support here? I was thinking. Where's that? 6, 9, 5. Market is open in 25 minutes. I really don't think it's going all the way down there. Not right now. Unless we open up and sell off. So I don't know why that's. I mean, besides my parameters being set. Can't stop it. Way down there. Oh no. The support. All right. Yes, support. Right at the bottom of that range, of that zone. Oh. Previous resistance. Yeah. Might want to close this. Intro. 9:14. Market's open in 16 minutes. I don't want to get long, but I'll take out this high maybe, but kind of a bull flag going on, right? Oh well. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's perfect. We ain't getting there though. I missed that entry. If he is, let me know way. What's going on? Who we got in here with us? Anybody in here? Just wait for the market to open. Would have been nice to catch it here, but we'll see what the market does when it opens. Man, this ear thing hurt my ear. My ears are so tiny. Finally got one that can fit my ears, and they changed them. Slipping away. Market's open in 7 minutes. Let me get my other chart set up. Well, she probably can't even see that. Oh my goodness. This is great. This is wild. Wait. 22 hours ago. Hello? Babe. Yeah, they gonna sell. They gonna dump right into open. We got 3 seconds. Markets are open. Buy right at the open. What they doing? Man. Damn it, we're gonna take out that level. You went without me. You son of a son of a. Well, that's that's that. All right. need one trade. What is NASDAQ? I really could just it's so hard when you get so close because now you don't want any setbacks. So I'm ready to work. I'm not gonna lie. I ain't scheduled myself till 10:30, so I would like to take a quick scout for 9:40 at the time. First 15 minutes have not even been established yet. It feels like it's moving so slow today. You got 1, 2, 3 candles, 4 candles forming. Oh, I know what I did. There we go. Let's see that a little better. Looking, just watching the markets here. It's not really clear for what direction we're going in yet. Trying to make us bullish, so I'm wondering if man, that's weird. Look at this 4-hour chart. So just pulling back right now in that 4-hour candle. We got 16 minutes left in that 4-hour candle. So it's the clock. Selling off here. See, alright, probably come back and repair price here, but are we going lower or what? Let's see the 15-minute. Ooh, got a tail. We got a single point tail. Okay. So higher time frames are. Let's see. Stepping in. Let me see. 1 hour. Well, I'm late to the party so far. Way late. When we were up here, I was thinking, are we going to extend the range downward? And I said, well, let's wait and see. And then here we are. I want to get short. This 1 hour, we have a tail. This whole top right here is a seller that I control. Alright, we're trying to push it down. A little bounce right there off of VWAP. Testing it for support. Take a stab at a short here. Let me see what it looks like. Let me see. Yesterday's close is down there. Yesterday's open. So we open inside a range. Yesterday's range. Trove, rejected. Like these trying to curl over our side below neutral with 3 minute. Looking for a scalp here to you need 310 ticks in total, so we going? Let me see. I need to get in while I'm trying to think and just let it play out. If it works, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm thinking, let me see. Where's this level at? Oops. Oh, we just bounced. Trail this tightly because it right now I'm looking for trades to scalps to take to not necessary, well, need to pass that count basically. Up $87. I need about 252 250 more, so just keep changing my 255. Keep changing my my risk parameters here so I can see what the move looks like. Finding some support. So we're bouncing a little bit. Check the mic and make sure it sounds right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sounds right, boy. Why did I actually get out of that? I figured we would. Yesterday's close is here, so it looks like we want to go take that out for the New York session. Potentially even repair pricing here. We've been bouncing here since yesterday. This purple box, we tested it, broke through it at 10 a.m., broke back into it, tested it at 11, tested it at 4 p.m., at 6 p.m., 9 p.m., and then 5 a.m. this morning. And we just bouncing some nice bounce. Guess I'm glad I took the time. Oh, alright, bitches. Someday we gotta cool off, right? This market has been rallying. Look at this. Let me see. Locked it. How do I do that? We've been rallying since we've been rallying. I mean, we've had some seller days, but since Monday, April 7th, we just that was our tail. That was our bottom. And then we've been on this bull run since April 22nd. We had some pullback, so we had a gap up here this week. Gap down here last week, I think that was 2 weeks ago. The week from what was this week? Week of the 21st, April 21st. It's interesting that we are here at this level. We had kind of this inverted head and shoulders that sent us back up to this level, which I was expecting us to actually go to. Let's see. To either find support or to break through. We need to break through that. Find support here. It's right in the middle of that. We need to break and find support. We need to find support at 21,650s, 660s. Before we go higher. What we gotta do? Nice bounce here. What are they doing? Look at these buyers here. Check out those buyers. 8 minutes left in this hourly candle, and it is doji looking right now. We got a nice neutral candle. I was bullish doji. We'll battle. We'll see if it closes bullish or bear. We'll see how it closes, period. If they want to push us higher and go test the next daily level, that'd be at around 21,597, so around 21,600, which is 280 points higher. As of now, doesn't seem like it has that power yet. I don't know how long it'll take us to get there. But what's interesting is that it's leaving all these imbalances beneath us, and a lot of this stuff is so news driven that it's like, I don't know, the markets have been crazy this year. Even though, what was it, 11 trillion that guy wiped out, Trump, the president, wiped out within 3 months. That's never been done historically. And now we're back right here. Where is that purple line? Like, that's crazy. That move that happened, usually, like when we look at this chart, usually happens over the year. Like, it takes a year. That just was like, whoop, 3 months. Besides here, that was 2020. No, that was 24. It was 2020. Oh, 2020 was way back here. The bear cycle. Bull cycle. Bull bear. Yeah, 21 was, yeah, 2020 we ran up, 2021 we ran up, 2022 so. And 23 and 25. '21, 22. Sellers are still in control, it looks like. Nope. Well, the sellers are here, indicated by this wick, but the buyers are not letting it get below this this zone right here, where it looks like it's establishing support at the low of the day on the session. Mm-hmm. 4 minutes left in this 1 minute candle or 1 hour candle. I think it was a 5 minute or 5 minute. Price could just really ping pong in here like it's been doing since yesterday for some hours, and a couple more hours, a few more hours, maybe even two. I don't know. Just looking at the way the moving averages are moving and trying to curl over, it could. I mean, some volume can come in and it could flush now and cross, but see how many hours it took to get from where we at? Way back here. This is the hourly, so from over here to, we're kind of just ranging on the hourly chart. As you can see, it's taking that long for the moving averages to kind of, they're still bullish, but they're starting to look like they want to curl and either come almost touch and keep going higher, or come and cross. Wait, that's not it either. This one. Whatever, that's not important. But yeah, for right now, for me, I'm just like looking. That's why I kind of took that short. There's like this range here that we're in. I can actually get rid of this since we well, I can keep it for reference. Let's make it smaller. Build a support down here. We did make a new low, so we have a new low today. Hello, new LOD, new LOD. Be setting up for a long here. Quick scalp. Well, we got a bearish doji. Got a bearish neutral candle, so that just basically means that, you know, there are basically equal amount of sellers and buyers, but there were slightly more sellers since it's a bearish doji. It's not closed yet. This is what it looks like so far. That white candle right there. So a doji is where you have wicks on both sides and the body kind of closes in the middle. Now it's flipping bullish. Now it's flipping bullish. Bullish doji. It's a doji nonetheless. That's why it's a doji. It's flipping bearish, bullish, and we are just right there. It's a battle between bulls and bears. Okay, it closed bullish, so there were more buyers. So we just need to wait until it picks a direction. And you can see, well, you can see that neutral candle play out in this if you understand what you're looking at. It opened, it went up, it came down, it went up, and so this is going to create the top wick, this is going to create the bottom wick, and then it closed here. That was messy, but you get it, hopefully. This is the close, this is the wick, this is the wick. $10:01 is the time. Wow. All right, so let's try to push it down. Buyers are saying we're here, so it's just, again, which way will they go? If they go anyway, or will they just range? This to me is saying I'm honestly contemplating. I am missed though, but I'll just be patient. I'll just be patient. That's called self-correction, because I was just about to say, just taking a scalp with a mini. For like quick 10 points or something. 10, 15 points. Would pass the account versus 60 something with a mini, two minis, two micros. So a mini would get me there faster just to pass the account, but it also puts more risk on the table. I'm wrong, so I'll just be patient. There's no rush. I mean, tomorrow's Thursday, it's PPI. I don't want to. I might actually wait when I do pass this. Yeah, so I'm not in a rush. If I do pass it before the weekend, I'll probably wait to activate it over the weekend, and then I have a Top Step combine that reset that I want to trade and get that passed. So. Right. All right, we're just sitting around VWAP here. The moving averages are flat, and we're just kind of, everything is right there. The moving average, the EMAs, VWAP are all in the same area. So we either go lower or we go higher, or we stay around those average prices until we go lower or higher. I don't know. We're in between yesterday's high and close, and like Not even halfway between that range to where we're sitting. One second. I'm ready. Oh, it's gonna be a nice one outside today. Markets aren't doing anything, guys. Oh, by the way, I got 2 new fish yesterday. Hey, fishies, how y'all doing? In there being mean, look at them. In there fighting, chasing each other around, trying to establish dominance. That new fish I got is so mean. Look, I got cichlids. Y'all know cichlids are very aggressive. I bought 2 electric cichlids. Okay, we're bullish. They're going higher. I bought 2 electric cichlids and 3 Demosanis, Demosanis cichlids, if I'm pronouncing them right. A red-tailed shark and a rainbow shark. They were all in the same tank because they all can survive together. But I had this one mean cichlid, and like not even a month later, maybe a month, there was only 1 Demosani left. They're so pretty. They're all blue and black. And then I just got a yellow and black bumblebee cichlid yesterday, like the Demosani, but it's a bumblebee one. But there's 2 electric cichlids left and 1 Demosani and a rainbow shark. No, the red-tailed shark. And I'm like, where's the fish? There was like no bones or anything. Those fish are mean. I was like, dang. I think actually one I had to clean up a little bit or something. It was like a piece of the head or something, like a piece of the eye. And I was like, wow, right? So yesterday I was at the pet store and I seen this real cool looking fish, just like the one I got, the electric cichlid, but his top is almost like an off tan, so it makes him look like he got almost a transparent mohawk, like the dorsal fin is that color. So I was like, oh, he's different. And he was like mean in the tank kind of, and I was like, ooh, I'm getting this one because this should even out my other fish, because my other fish in here is like bullying the other fish. And then I seen that bumblebee cichlid, and I was like, I gotta have both of them. So I bought both of them and I brought them home and got them acclimated to the water. And sure enough, the 2 big with 2 aggressive ones were like, the one I just bought just went right into the rock and was like, this is my space. And I'm like, what did I do? I really felt bad. I'm like, what did I do? But they were fighting around. I'm like trying to knock on the tank just a little bit, not too much. And I'm like, what are you guys doing? I don't know what they were doing, but. And I went to get the net to like move the rock. And by the time I came back, the one who established dominance over the other fish, which I think is the one that ate the other fish, the one that established dominance over my last Demosani and my other electric cichlid, that one that was like the boss, he was out of the rock and the other one was in the rock. And I was like, oh, I guess they settled that. But they just kind of been, doing whatever they doing, and they're not dead. I was like, when I woke up, I was like, after I gave thanks for waking up. And, you know, some of those prayers. I'm like, oh, I wonder if my fish, if my fish are all right, and they're good. It's always that thing, you know, when we put them into a new environment. But they're chilling now. But when I just look back there before, them two big ones was definitely chasing. I mean, they're all about the same size, but it's those two ones that are slightly bigger than all the rest, and those ones are like, rare. Yep, and it's him. He's the one chasing. And I took a picture of it. I took a picture of it yesterday. And I looked, and in his face, he looked like he had a little attitude. I wish I could show y'all. Can I show y'all on camera? It was the craziest thing. And my honey was like, he looked mean. I was like, or he looked like, y'all ain't gonna be able to see that. Let me see. But when y'all watch it, I was like, oh, let me see. Can y'all see that? If you look at his, over the other way. Nope, over the other way. Look at him. He is so mean. He is so mean. He looking. He got that look. He looking like, what you looking at? Gosh, he looks so mean. He's mean. Nice to take one to know one. Meanie. Alright, seller step back in. He wanna try to chase everybody in the tank. He wants to chase everybody in the tank. Alright, well, it flipped bear. Oh, what's going on? I don't know what they're doing. We're in the middle of the range there. 10-11. So far, the initial balance is looking like how it's looking. We may extend the range to the downside. This candle is heavy. We got some buyers that stepped in. Somebody said Trump was speaking. I don't know. Oh, he's so mean. He's so mean. I don't know why they don't team up on him. He's just so mean. Maybe I need to put him in his own tank. Where he won't exhaust them because they got places to hide. There's enough. But I do want. My Demon Sani, my blue and black one is like the smaller. Am I saying that right? Demon Sani or Demon Sani, whatever. My blue and black one, he's the smallest one, but he's smaller than them, but not too much smaller. How long have I had them now? Some months. They're like this big when I bought them, and now they're like this big. And I can't wait to I have to keep expanding the tank to get it bigger and bigger when they grow. Look at this. What is? I'm not trading this. I'm not trading this. I am not trading this. I don't know what they're doing. I only got like $250, $252 to go to pass this account, and I missed that short. Missed the long. I actually missed this short from earlier. Oh, that was the one. That was short. I mean, they're just stopping people out both ways. What is happening? Is this man talking? Let me see. He need to just close his mouth. Trump. There may be news on Russia, Ukraine today. That was at 7:59. The Trump tax cuts bills advanced by blah blah blah. I mean, while the markets is playing, I can just, you know, start setting on my other charts. I haven't traded on these in a while. I don't even know what I had going on here. ATH is all-time high for anybody wondering. I haven't been on these charts since April 14th. Literally a month ago. And I went all in. Markets are not doing anything, as you can see. Right in the middle of that initial balance area. Trying to push it up. Not doing a good job. Doing a better job than the sellers though, huh? Why am I on a practice account? All right. Look at this mess. I'm calling it in 10 minutes, 11 minutes. So I can go work. Markets aren't doing anything right now. They might give us a move later in the day. I'm not sure if I'll take advantage of that or not. I'll be working. Almost got this account passed, but I'm not going to force it. If we do pick a direction though and start moving, then I'll definitely get in the trade. Other than that, right now we're kind of just sitting here around VWAP and the moving averages still. But we will, I mean, eventually we will move out of that. We will move away from there, right? But the question is how far and how long. So you can't, you know, we don't want to just. We'll see. We'll see what sets up. But for now, Jerome Powell may consider interest rate cut due to U.S.-China trade truce. Just came across. Oh, that was way a long time ago at 9:40. I wasn't checking my notifications. Oh my goodness, that was at 9:40 right here. While we were dumping. Yeah. Maybe that's what Simplify after they was like, oh no, we got good news. Just hold it. I don't know. This is crazy. I know that much. Like they want to go lower. This could have been a potential bear flag here. That was a nasty drawing. Could be a bear flag. I want to try it, but the way I'm not going to. It's crazy I'm not taking it, haven't taken, well I took a quick scalp, but, and then an accidental scalp. Oh, I did take a scalp, didn't I? I'm up $87 for the day. But I wasn't gonna probably do a trade recap because I'm gonna work, and then I'm gonna work until about 8 or 9. Yep. I'm lying. It'll probably be till like 7. I want to work till 8 or 9, but it'll probably be like 6 or 7. Not even gonna lie. I'll be like, yeah, I'm about. Nope. It just depends, really, how I feel. I ain't really worked yesterday, so I need to. Okay, buyers stepping back. Just right, we're just not going anywhere. We're literally just here. What are we doing here? Why are we here? What level is this? Is this the same? We here. Ah, we got some 4-hour. Oh, okay. We got a 4-hour. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's because I moved my box. Got it. I mean, it was this whole zone. Well, 3. There's 307s. Oh, okay. This is a previous 4-hour support and resistance zone. Right? So in February, on the 4-hour, February 25th to February 27th, we kind of bounced, we were just bouncing around this let's draw a box. We were bouncing around this right here, where that purple line, right where that box just popped up at. That was the bottom of the range. So that was the bottom of the range, and right at let's see, we broke that range February 27th, and then March 3rd, we turned that range into a resistance. So now here we are again. It is resistance. We need to break it and turn it into support. We broke it here. So when we came back down to test it, we did not have support, so we fell below it. So that's why we're here, not doing anything. I'm actually going to put a line. Yeah, I'm actually going to put a line there for that visual reference. Actually, it's like right here. We turn it into resistance. Somewhere around here. Who's gonna push it higher from here? I'm taking a stab at it. Excuse me. Nope, that was wrong. Immediately wrong. I want to see, because we closed bullish, we opened, we drove lower, rejected prices lower, pushed us back higher. So I just want to see what happens here. I'm only risking $100. Excuse me. Well, that wasn't bad. Oh, I forgot I was up already too. Yeah. I don't know which way this thing wants to go. And I said I forgot I was up because, I can just eat. I can kind of take scalps and kind of, knock that 250 profit target down. And I could have took that 20 and that would have put me up 100 on the day, but I wasn't. That's why I'm like, oh, I forgot I was already up on the day. Instead of trying to hold the scalps longer, just kind of. $31 minutes. 1 minute. Let me see. 30. This is just doji. It's doji land. It's doji land. Like that. 35. Yeah. Okay, buyers trying to push it up. Sellers are not letting it happen. Nice little pop would be nice. What does that look like? Oh, come on. I was about to. This thing is moving. It's not if I hit the close button, you see how it's moving so fast. By the time I try to lock in the $20, it's only gonna give me like 7. It's bouncing so fast. Okay, there. See that it was 21, but I clicked it. It's 17. If I would have clicked it, 10, 5, 6, 17, 12, 7. Battling here. 27, 30, 29, 10. Gotta be quicker than that. Yeah, I'm like, this is rejecting, bouncing, rejecting, bouncing. Not really. I just need to bounce. You know what? I do not like this. And 31, the time initial balance is set. It's been set for a minute. And it's time for me to get off, and I'm stuck in this trade real quick. Alright, I was about to say, alright, 21, I'm cutting here, and then drop right to 9. I hate when I get stuck in these trades like this, where it's just a battle, like you can see it. Okay, 30, 42, 40, blah, blah, blah. I'm taking it. 41. I'm just going to get out of it. It probably was going to go hit the TV, but I just don't want to get it. Up 119 for the day. I need 220 to pass. I want to take that trade. So 225 risk 100. So this is the type of trade that I need to take. Oh, you know what? It's actually a nice trade right there. I'm going to take that. I'm actually gonna take that. It could stop me out. That's fine. But this is the perfect level to let it stop me out at. If we come below there, then I was wrong. Obviously, maybe not. It could come back and bounce off of VWAP, NASDAQ. But damn, thinking of that. Drop fast. I was about to say, thinking of that. I probably should have entered and let my stop loss be there. But if it does come to break this high of the day, then that's kind of where my take profit is. But I'm not gonna sit here and manage this. I'm about to sign into my phone. It's already set, so I just let it ride. I'm up $100 on a day. So worst case scenario is I'm up 105 on a day. So worst case scenario is I lose $100 on this trade, and I'm just back to square one. But I still only need about, I don't know, less than 400, like 250, like 350 to pass. So that's the worst case scenario, which is all right. I'll find a trade. If not today, tomorrow. If not tomorrow, the next day. No biggies. But I'm going to manage this on my phone. Just sign in and make sure I can watch it. Just in case it's doing what it's doing now, and I want to get out early. But oop, not let me. Yeah, this. You know what? Maybe I should look at this differently. But I do gotta go. Maybe I should look at this differently. Let me see. Yep, stopped out. Okay. Oops. Okay, so that was the worst case scenario, was that I lost 100 and I'm just back to break even on the day. But we're in this channel right here. So that was a bad location to enter and long. Well, actually, I mean, it depends, right? It wasn't a bad location. I would take that trade again. My risk was defined below certain area, and I wanted to go target. You know, if we were going higher, we were going to take this out. If we were going lower, then I was wrong. If it passed the previous low, which is what happened. So reanalyzing though, we're in this channel. Yeah, that is nasty. I think we go lower. We got a rising wedge here. Rising wedges are bearish. So yeah, that was... Rising wedges are definitely bearish. Falling wedges are bullish. And then we got a doji on the one eye. Okay, yeah, so I'm done for today so far. I don't know if I find... I'm up 18 bucks. If I find something later, then I'll take it. But for now, I have to wait till we make some kind of break out of this channel, down or up, do something. We got to get some kind of move, right? Took a stab at that long, I was wrong. Took a stab at that long, I was wrong. But if you are going to continue to trade today, be patient, be humble, stay diligent. Don't force any trades. If you find a setup, take it, trade well, and I will see you all tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Tomorrow is Thursday. We got PPI. We have PPI, and then the stream up green, so that's good. And I will see you in the next one. All right, loves.